Konnichiwa! Today I'm gonna cook Sinampalukang chicken. Here are the ingredients. Tamarind paste, onion, garlic, ginger, sampalok flour, patis, okra, and chicken, and water. Let's start cooking. Look at this up. Oil. It's like a bubble. Take onion and ginger.
They have to be careful.
Oh my god, like something goes right here. Then the garlic. We're gonna add the chicken, but we got to ask help. We're gonna add the patis. It's hot. Super hot. And then we're gonna put the tamarind paste just on top. This is where it's gonna get its soury paste. Soury paste. And then we're gonna add water and cover it. The metal is burning right now. Oh, not anymore. It's boiling already, so we need to put the sampalok flour and the baby leaves. What about this? And then cover it again. Let's wait. And then we're gonna put the okra. Oh, by the way, Mommy put an egg there. We're gonna turn the fire off because it's gonna cook. Next is the best part. The moment of truth. This first. It has little oil. Look. Good, but it's hot. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. And don't forget to like at Mr. My Life. and also Ate Jane. And then Jay Bowers. Jel Bowers. Sayonara!
Peace!